Hey everybody, Quinn here with Marq, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our free calendar maker in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, go ahead and select Start Designing from the free calendar maker page or sign up free from the navigation bar anywhere on the site. If you haven't already, this is going to prompt you to create a new free account with Marq. Once the account is created, you'll land on the logged in home page, which I've already navigated here to Templates and then Marq Templates. So step 2 is to choose a template that represents a calendar that you like. Or you can go ahead and come up to the top here and select New Project, and you can start from scratch with a blank project. In this case, I've searched for calendar, I found one that I like, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that template. After loading, step 3 is the fun part. Now you can go ahead and start creating your design. Now, depending on whether or not you started with a template or you're starting from scratch, now you can start to edit elements like text, colors, images, or you can use one of the many other tools that Marq provides to start to make the most out of Marq. For example, collaboration with your team, locking down elements of your templates, using dynamic fields, and so much more. Let me show you a couple examples of how I can edit this template. I've gone ahead and searched in our stock images for dogs, and we're just going to select this cute doggy here, hover over the image until it highlights like that, and just like that I've changed the image here. I can click on elements like this shape, and I can start to change their colors. Change where the location of the shine is, just like that. You can create a free calendar with our tool in just 3 easy steps. Stay tuned for other videos where we show you how to use these other tools and make the most out of Marq.